DuoTale English.
where every story teaches you English. Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to DuoTale English. I am Lena, and today is a very special episode because today we are talking directly to our newest, bravest, most exciting learners. The beginners, the people taking their first real steps in English conversation, the A1 and A2 level learners who want to feel more confident speaking English in real everyday situations.
And I am Marcus, and to all of our beginners, you are already doing something remarkable. Learning a new language at any age is one of the most challenging and most rewarding things a human brain can do. And the fact that you are here, working on your speaking, means you have already passed the hardest part, the decision to start.
Today, episode 42, we give you complete, natural, easy-to-follow conversation practice for real-life situations. Not classroom English, not textbook English, the English you will actually use in a shop, on the phone, meeting someone new, at work, ordering food, asking for directions. All of it, step by step, with full dialogues to listen to, shadow, and practice immediately. We upload every single day. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Let us begin.
3 golden rules for beginner English conversation. Rule 1. Speaking is the only way to get better at speaking. Reading about English does not improve your speaking. The physical act of producing English sounds at English pace in English sentences, that is what builds speaking skill. And today, this episode gives you the material. Your job is to speak it out loud, every time.
Rule 2. Perfect grammar is not the goal. Communication is the goal. Native speakers make grammar mistakes every day. A sentence with imperfect grammar that clearly communicates your meaning, that is a successful sentence. Do not let perfect grammar prevent you from speaking. Say the imperfect sentence. Be understood. That is success.
Rule 3. Repetition is the magic. 10 phrases you know so well you can say them automatically are worth more than 100 phrases you vaguely know from a list. Today, we give you 10 to 20 key phrases per situation. Your job, make them automatic through repetition every day.
Situation 1. Meeting someone for the first time. Shadow each phrase 3 times. Hello. Hi. Hey. Say it. Nice to meet you. Say it. Nice to meet you too. Say it. My name is blank. I'm blank. Say it. What's your name? Say it. I'm from blank. Say it. Where are you from? Say it. I'm originally from blank, but I live in blank now. Say it. I'm a student / I work as a blank. Say it. I have been here for blank. Say it. It was really nice meeting you. Say it. See you around. Say it.
Now the full natural dialogue. Lena plays Priya, I play Alex. Shadow one person.
Hi, Alex. I'm Priya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, I just started last week. It's all a bit new for me still.
Oh, I know that feeling. I started 3 months ago. Where are you from originally?
I'm from India, from Mumbai. And you?
I'm from Australia, from Sydney. Have you been in London long?
Just 2 months. I'm still getting used to the weather.
Yes, the weather is quite a change from Sydney too, believe me.
I believe you. It was nice meeting you, Alex.
You too. See you around, Priya.
Key phrases. I don't think we've met. Very natural way to start with someone new. I just started. A phrase for something very recent. I am still getting used to. In the process of adjusting to something new. See you around. A casual, warm goodbye when you expect to see the person again.
Situation 2. Ordering in a café. Shadow each phrase 3 times. Can I have a coffee, please? Say it. I'd like a tea, please. Say it. Could I get a glass of water? Say it. I'll have the, please. Say it. What do you recommend? Say it. Can I have the bill, please? Say it. Could I pay by card? Say it.
Full cafe dialogue. Marcus plays the barista. I play the customer. Shadow one person.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a large flat white, please?
Of course. Any milk preference? We have oat, almond, and full fat.
Oat milk, please.
Great. Anything else? Any food today?
Actually, yes. What do you recommend from the pastries?
The almond croissant is really popular. It's freshly baked this morning.
That sounds great. I'll have one of those too, please.
Perfect. That's a large oat flat white and an almond croissant. Your name?
It's Maya.
Great, Maya. That'll be about 4 minutes. I'll call your name when it's ready.
Brilliant, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Key phrases. Any milk preference? Anything else? That sounds great. I'll have. Brilliant. All real, everyday, immediately useful café English.
Situation 3. Asking for directions. Shadow each phrase 3 times. Excuse me, could you help me? Say it. I'm looking for... Do you know where it is? Say it. How do I get to... Say it. Turn left/right at the... Say it. Go straight on. Say it. It's just around the corner. Say it. It's about minutes on foot. Say it. You can't miss it. Say it. Could you say that again, please? Say it.
Full directions dialogue. Marcus is the tourist. I am the local.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Could you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the National Museum. I think I'm a bit lost.
Oh, you're not far at all. Let me think. Okay, so you go straight on down this road for about 5 minutes. You'll pass a big supermarket on your left.
Straight on, then a supermarket on the left, okay?
Yes, and then after the supermarket, take the second street on the right. It's called Museum Road.
Second right, got it. And then is the museum on that street?
Yes, about halfway down. You can't miss it. Really big building with stone steps.
That is so helpful. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. About 10 minutes on foot.
Great, thank you again.
Enjoy the museum.
Key phrases. Sorry to bother you. Polite, natural opener. I think I'm a bit lost. Honest and relatable. Let me think. Natural pause filler. You can't miss it. Very visible and obvious. No problem at all. Warmer than you're welcome.
Situation 4. Small talk at work or school. Shadow phrases 3 times. How was your weekend? Say it. Did you have a good weekend? Say it. Not bad, quite relaxing. Yours? Say it. Pretty busy. I had a lot to catch up on. Say it. Oh, interesting. How did you find it? Say it. That sounds amazing. Say it. Anyway, I should get back to it. Say it. Good to catch up. Say it.
Full Monday morning office dialogue. I play Tom, Lena plays Sarah. Morning, how was your weekend?
Really good, thanks. I went to a food market. It was brilliant. You?
Not bad, pretty quiet. I was supposed to go hiking, but the weather was terrible.
Oh no, yes, it was awful on Saturday. Are you a big hiker then?
I am trying to be. I've only been a few times, but I love it. Where do you usually go? I like the Peak District. Beautiful up there. You should try it when the weather cooperates.
I definitely will. Right, I should get started. The Monday emails will not answer themselves.
Yes, very true. Good to catch up. Have a good day.
You too. See you later.
Key phrases. I was supposed to. I planned to, but did not. Classic resigned acknowledgement. Are you a big blank? Asks about dedication. I am trying to be. Warm, honest response. Emails will not answer themselves. Humorous expression. Good to catch up. Natural colleague goodbye.
Situation 5. Making a telephone appointment. Shadow phrases 3 times. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please. Say it. Do you have anything available on blank? Say it. That works for me. Say it. Could you repeat that? Say it. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Say it.
Full telephone dialogue. Lena is the receptionist. I am the patient.
Hello, Riverside Medical Center. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor, please.
Of course. Are you a registered patient with us?
Yes, I am. My name is James Carter.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. And is this urgent or routine?
It's not urgent, just a routine checkup.
Okay, let me see what we have available. Could you come in on Thursday afternoon? We have a slot at 3:15.
Thursday at 3:15. Yes, that works for me.
Perfect. And your date of birth for verification?
The 5th of March, 1992.
Great. So that's Thursday the 14th at 3:15 p.m. with Dr. Singh. You'll get a reminder text the day before.
Brilliant. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. See you Thursday. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Key phrases. I'd like to make an appointment. A slot. A specific time period. That works for me. Natural confirmation. Brilliant. Very British enthusiastic affirmation. See you Thursday. Warm phone ending.
Situation 6. Shopping for clothes. Shadow phrases 3 times. I'm looking for a smart blank, please. Say it. Do you have this in a different color/size? Say it. Could I try this on? Say it. Where are the fitting rooms? Say it. It fits really well. Say it. I'll take it. Say it. Just browsing, thanks. Say it. I think I'll leave it today, thanks. Say it.
Hi there. Can I help you find anything today?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a smart jumper, something I could wear to work.
Of course. What colors do you like?
I prefer neutral colors, navy, gray.
How about this one? Really nice quality merino wool.
Oh, I like that. Do you have it in gray?
Yes, in medium and large.
I think I'm a medium. Could I try it on?
Of course. Fitting rooms at the back on the right.
It fits really well. I love the color. I'll take it. How much is it?
45 pounds. Cash or card?
Card, please. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Enjoy the jumper.
5 confidence tips. 1. Practice phrases before you need them. Tonight before the cafe tomorrow. 2. Slow down when nervous. Slower is clearer. 3. Use what you know. Simple sentences are perfect sentences. 4. Ask when you do not understand. Could you repeat that? Always fine to ask. 5. Celebrate every real English conversation. However short, however imperfect, you did it. That is the whole game.
Word expert. 12 beginner conversation vocabulary words. Appointment. An arrangement to meet at a specific time. I have a doctor's appointment on Thursday. Say it. I need to make an appointment.
Available. Free and able to be used. Do you have anything available next week? Say it. Are you available on Tuesday?
Recommend. To suggest something as being good or worth trying. Could you recommend a good restaurant? Say it. What do you recommend from the menu?
Prefer. To like one thing more than another. I prefer tea to coffee. Say it. Do you prefer window or aisle?
Fitting room. Where you try on clothes before buying. Where are the fitting rooms? Say it. Could I use the fitting room, please?
Bill. The written record of what you owe in a restaurant. Could we have the bill, please? Say it. Can I have the bill when you are ready?
Slot. A specific available time period in a schedule. We have a slot at 3:15. Say it. Is there an earlier slot available?
Browsing. Looking at things without a specific intention to buy. Just browsing, thanks. Say it. I'm just browsing at the moment.
Catch. To hear and understand in a phrase. I didn't quite catch that. Could you repeat it? Say it. I'm sorry, I did not catch your name.
Confirmation. A message saying something has been agreed or is certain. You'll receive a confirmation text. Say it. Could I get a confirmation email?
Fluent. Able to speak a language naturally and smoothly without difficulty. She was not yet fluent, but her confidence was growing. Say it. I'm working toward being fluent in English.
Directions. Instructions for how to get from one place to another. Could you give me directions to the station? Say it. I need directions to the nearest pharmacy, please.
Final shadowing. 3 times each. Confident and clear. Hi, I don't think we've met. Nice to meet you. Say it. Where are you from originally? How long have you been here? Say it. Can I have a please? And what do you recommend? Say it. Excuse me, I'm looking for. Do you know where it is? Say it. Thank you so much. That was really helpful. Say it. How was your weekend? Did you do anything nice? Say it. Hello, I'd like to make an appointment. Do you have anything available this week? Say it. Do you have this in a medium? Could I try it on? Say it. I'm sorry, could you say that again more slowly, please? Say it. Sorry, let me say that again. What I mean is, say it. Every conversation in English makes me a little bit better. Say it. I am a beginner and I am getting better every single day. Say it.
That's episode 42. Our question, practice one dialogue today out loud and write in the comments which situation you practiced and how it felt. We read every comment and reply every day. We upload every day. Episode 43 tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. Every conversation makes you better. Go have one. Bye, Lena.
Bye, Marcus. Bye, everyone. You are a beginner today and a more confident speaker tomorrow. Bye.